Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wambo, and to my returning subscribers, nawapenda sana, and to my new viewers, karibuni sana. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe guys. Welcome to today's video. So today I want to give you my monthly shopping haul, things I bought from the market and also from the supermarket, and these are things that we usually use in the house currently. So welcome, make sure you watch the video to the end, give the video a thumbs up. Also remember to comment down below and tell me what you'd want to hear from me. So welcome guys, and thank you for being a subscriber. Things that I bought today ni mingi. I don't know where to start, but I think I should start with the things I bought from the supermarket. So let me start with these ones. So hizi Scuba supermarket nilizipata mahali zikiuzwa. These ones I can't remember the English name, but in Kikuyu we call them Kihori. So I bought two. One was going for 100 bob, so I bought two really good ones. These ones are for drinking porridge. I thought it was a nice idea buying these things. They look nice. So this is serviette. I usually prefer the pure white one, so I ended up buying this one, Cozy. I think I bought it at 100. I'm not sure, maybe 100 or 110. Yeah, so that one is the oil that I usually use on my face, Aramis. So I bought the big one in Anipanga service. I bought a whole month plus by Aramis. And to the soap, I bought these two. I usually buy Zenta. I love using Zenta because it usually forms the foam quickly. Inakuanga poa, so I bought 2 bars of soap. One was going for 160, so 320. Yeah, so that's that. I also bought tissue paper. This is the 10 pack for Rosie. I bought it at what, 330 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 330. So I bought that one at 330 guys. So I usually use the Rosie. I prefer it. It's economic friendly for people like us, you know. Also another thing that I bought from the supermarket is this vinegar. I think it was 40 shillings if I'm not wrong. It's the 300 ml one. As you can see, it's the 300 ml one. I bought this Downy. I bought it at 199 shillings. That's basically 200 shillings. So I bought this one. It's the ml. It's also the 300 ml. Let me put it well so you can see. It's the 300 ml. I prefer this scent. It really inanibambaga basically. So I also bought this Blue Band Choco. It's the ml, not a ml. It's 250 grams. So that's it. Blue Band Choco. We love it because it's sweet. I also bought this one, Topex. It's the detergent I bought. It's the ml. It's 250 ml. I think I bought it at 140. I also bought a shampoo. I love this one because I really love it. I don't know why, but I just love it, and it's also economic friendly. It's nourishing. It nourishes, and it's also anti-dandruff. So I love using that. It's called the Apple Nourishing Shampoo. I bought it at 100. I bought these wet wipes, Lux wet wipes, guys. It has 15 pieces inside. I bought it at 60 shillings. Quite economic friendly. I bought these two at one was going for, if I'm not wrong, 80 shillings. So I bought two at 160. We also didn't have toothpicks at home, so I bought this one, the bamboo toothpicks. I don't know how many pieces they have inside. It's quite a lot, but yeah, this is the one I usually buy for usage at home. And also I love buying this pack of matchsticks. Inanipeanga service. I think the last time I bought this one was like 3 months ago, so zilikuwa zimeisha, and I bought these ones. It has, if I'm not wrong, it's 10 pieces inside. Yeah, 10 boxes inside. So this one, I don't know if it's 10 or it's 12, I'm not sure, but I think yeah, 10. So I love this one. It's the kifaru kubwa. Been using this since I know and I got to know myself. Nilipata kwetu tukitumia, so till date I usually buy it. And I also bought this bathing soap. One was going for 90 shillings. It had an offer, so I bought 2. And for 2 I bought at, if I'm not wrong, it's 150 shillings. So those are the things that I bought at the supermarket, and these are things that I usually use daily in my day-to-day life. So those are the things that I bought in the supermarket. Yeah. So guys, tuende kwa vitu zenye nilibai kwa soko. So hizo zote ndizo vitu nilinunua kwa soko. I'm going to tell you the prices ndivyo muone kubai vitu kwa soko is quite cheap, and utakuwa na vitu za kurun around kuliko kukimbilianga kwa kitu kwa duka wakati unataka kununua. So first things first, I bought these carrots. Mnaona ni mingi. Nilibai za 100 bob, so hizo zitanifikisha a month, if not a month max, but mostly hizi za 100 nazitumianga between 3 weeks to a month, depending na vitu zenye napika hiyo month. So those are carrots. I bought them for 100 shillings. Hizi ni nyanya, this canet thingy, these ones. So hizi zote nilinunua 100 bob. Pia nilikuwa napimiwa 4, so for 20 shillings. So I bought for 100, and of course since nilibai kwa mtu I usually buy at, akaniongezea 2. So I also bought sweet potatoes. Hizo ni sweet potatoes. Let me show you quite well. So ni hizo nilibai at 100 too. Haya, so this is an arrowroot. Nilipata tu hako kamoja kenye niliona kanakaa fresh, so I bought it at 50 shillings. It's quite big one, hiyo tutakula tukiwa home. Then I bought these ones. Hizi ni bananas za kupika. I was thinking of cooking mukimo soon, so I'll use them, or matoke. I'm not sure what I'll cook, but one of those, either matoke or mukimo. So this one's for 50 shillings na pia induma 50, so hiyo ni 100. Ukumbuke this thing is what do you call it? Sweet potatoes nilibai 100 the carrots, and 100. So hizo hivyo I bought them for 400 shillings. What else did I buy? So I bought these onions. Hizo onions ni mingi, you can see. So this is like I prefer buying na kilo, juu ukiuziwa onions moja, like ukipik moja, you end up buying less for the money ungenunua na a lot more. So I usually buy, nikibuy onions napimishanga na kilo. So this is 2 kgs. A kg was going for 60 shillings. So 2 kgs, that's what's that? 2 kgs, 120 shillings. So these are corianders. I usually buy them, alafu na pack naeka kwa fridge. So hizi nilibai za 20 shillings. Tunaona ni mingi, nilibai kwa soko. I also bought these ones. These are lemons. Lemons nilikuwa napimiwa 3, yeah, ilikuwa 3 20 bob, so I bought for 60 shillings. I also bought these 2 cucumbers. 1 cucumber was going for 20 shillings, so 2 cucumbers, that's 40 shillings. I also bought ginger and garlic, my favorite spices to use in most of my meals. So the garlic one was 20 shillings, so I bought 2 for 40 shillings. Alafu hii ginger yote ni 3 pieces. I bought it at 1 piece 20 shillings, so those are 3 pieces 60 shillings. So this one pia 100 bob. I also bought broccoli. So I bought 2 broccolis, as you can see. So one broccoli was going for 50 shillings. I bought 2. That's 100 shillings. Then I also bought what do we call this? French beans, if I'm not wrong. In Kikuyu we'll call them mishiri. So I bought these mishiris at half a kilo, so that was 60. That was basically everything that I bought kwa soko. So I'm going to show you how I usually wash them and how I usually pack them and how I store them ndivyo zisiharibike haraka.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Zikisha mwaga maji, how I store them. This is paper. Ni ile yenye inakuanga na tissue. So mimi huwa situpi karatasi. Sinaona ni ile ya 10 pack. So nikisha empty the paper, I use it to store the carrots inside. So najiepanga tu kupanga vizuri kwa ndani ya hiyo paper. Like that guys, zieke poa ndivyo ukitoa natoanga tu zenye nahitaji. So napangaga vizuri pole pole systematically.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Let's wash them. So I usually cut this net thing. Nikizikata hivyo kuosha na kuosha, make sure you wash one by one juu mostly zinakuanga chafu. Ndivyo hata sometimes kwa wale watu wenye wanapenda kukula nyanya hivyo, it's good you can eat it. So I'll draw that cup in the dustbin later, but for now let's wash. Make sure ukiwash nyanya unaosha moja moja vizuri ndio itoke uchafu, ndio uweze kuziweka kwa fridge just like I'm doing it.
hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
For my onions, I usually just put them like that. So kuna this karot here, so huwa naziweka hapo and zinakaa hapo. So what I'll just do, nitakata tu haka kapepa tu somewhere there, ndivyo tu inakuwa easy kwangu kuchukua kitunguu moja moja whenever I want to use. So hizi ginger pia zinakuanga chafu and I don't like putting them zikiwa in this state. So pia hizo huwa naziosha. So unaona iko na a lot of dirt. I don't like putting them with the dirt. So you can see how big they are. I just bought 3 pieces as you can see. So I'll also wash the 3 pieces. And for the ginger, I just put it like that. Jumshua natanga to the few pieces you'll use. So for this one, this is waste. I'll put it in the dustbin later. But for this ones, penye umeona tumeweka kitunguu, that is where we'll also put them. Mostly naziekanga hapo kando hivyo ndio naweza kuona. As you can see, hizi ni yenye nilikuwa nimebakisha, so pia nitaiweka hapo ndivyo. First I'll first start using this one yenye sikuwa nimemaliza before I get to these ones. So you can see how dirty the ginger was, and this is how I've washed them. They are now super clean and ready for storage. So guys, I want to put the ginger in this tin. Ndivyo zikidry zitaendelea tu hapo. They don't usually go bad quite easily, so I'll store them there. I'll show you where I usually put them. And they're all done. As you can see, there's so many, but I usually use ginger when cooking. So this is where I put it, hapo kando. As you can see, that is where I usually store it, so it's easily accessible. Like iko karibu na the onions and also the garlic. Sikuwa nimeonyesha. So these are thorn melons. We usually love eating them here. They are very nutritious. So yeah, that's why I usually store it. So I'll also wash these lemons. Tule tu lemons tangu ndo huto nishatuosha and nikatuweka hapo street. I don't know if you can quite see them. Yeah, I can see them. Ziko hapo, so that's where I've stored them. Also, always making sure that my countertop is always clean. So mali tulikuwa tumeka hizo zote, since zingine zilikuwa ni uchafu, I usually wipe it clean. It's a white countertop, so I'm wiping it. Guys, I've been having problems with my stomach. Whenever I eat something, tumbo tu ina bloat tu hivyo, and it's been a long time imekuwa ikinisumbua hivyo until nikaona sasa imekuwa an alarming issue. And this is a remedy I saw somewhere, so I was willing to try it out. So I'll also take you with me as we make this concoction together. everything is in there. It's about time we go and blend them.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So here I started sieving.
determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. You don't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. Right in your side. You will never see me coming. You don't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. Right in your side. You will never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential, I need a first.
Guys, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for being here with me. To everybody who have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe. Also like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also remember to comment. And thank you guys. Have a good night, day, or evening, whatever time you're watching me. Thank you and bye bye.